Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play multiplayer in Block Crazy Robo World Craft. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The setup process is simple, but you'll need to configure a few settings before your friends can join your world. To begin, launch Block Crazy Robo World Craft and tap play from the main menu. If you already have an existing world, you can use it if you want. In this example, we'll create a brand new world from scratch. Tap Create New, then select Create New World. Next, enter a name for your world. After naming it, scroll on the left side through the options until you find the multiplayer settings. Make sure multiplayer game is turned on. Also, enable the option that allows the world to be visible to LAN players. Both of these settings need to be enabled so your friends can find and join your world. Once the multiplayer settings are configured, tap Create and confirm any prompts that appear. Wait for the game to finish generating the world before moving to the next step. Now ask your friend to open Block Crazy Robo World Craft on their mobile device. They should tap play, then open the Friends or LAN Games section. If your world doesn't appear in the list, make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. After both devices are connected to the same network, your friend should see your world listed under the available LAN games. They simply need to tap your world, confirm the connection, and wait while the game locates the server and loads the world. And that's it! So that's basically how you can play multiplayer in Block Crazy Robo World Craft. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.